So my dad gifted me a portion of his land in the village. So we are on our way to go look at the land, kind of see what it looks like, how much space we have, and what I might do with the land. My idea right now is to build a structure to raise chickens and let people rent it out. Initially, I wanted to have my own chickens, but I mean, who will take care of it? So it's better for us to rent out the space for someone else to use for chicken farming, or I may do something else. We're just gonna go and see what the land looks like.
To buy one of the most popular Nigerian snacks, Karam bread. I'll show you guys. This that woman. It's almost finishing. Madam, remain some for me.
How many?
No finish some.
Which time do you want?
Pass now, pass now. Madam, no finish my Karam. You don't finish them.
No, I don't finish. I'm a beg.
No give am, no sell for am. Ben bread, Ibarodi. Bring that bread, 2 bread. Do you want some?
No.
Give me 4 Kara. Bring 2 bread. How much?
300. Sir? Morning.
Thank you. So, this is how you eat it. You divide the bread into 2 and put the akara inside. And you eat it. It's like burger. It's so good. I'll show you guys how to eat later. Let me drive. Oh my God, I'm so excited. They are shaming me that their road is urban. Look at urban. Is this urban? Is this urban?
This is an urban area.
Look at how the car is shaking. This is urban. This is where they start and stopped.
This is an urban area.
Oh wow.
See, look at electricity. See?
We have light. You only have pole and cable. We have physical. Okay,
That is light.
Okay, let's check.
There is light.
Is there light?
No, this is an small.
Look at this one here. Light.
There's light. Do you see light?
That's generator.
No, branches.
Let's see if they have light in their village. The road is so bad. I mean, our own is just a little bit.
Yours is worse, much worse.
So we're here in their village.
No, not village. Compound.
This is where the dad is from and this is where she's from.
Albany.
This is not urban, this is
Not
village.
village. Don't say village again.
This is village.
This is our town.
This is town.
Where's your row? Where's your row?
Ready?
Yeah.
Igoro,
Yeah.
do you greet me?
Good morning.
That's my bad.
Do you greet me?
Good morning. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Ban.
Auntie?
Ban.
Where's your row?
Yes,
Okay.
Okay.
Look at babies. Look at babies.
Hello.
How are you? So this is where
Okay.
we did the traditional demarcation. There's a bacon stone there. The bacon stone. Look at the bacon
Wait,
stone.
what? Where?
Come, let me show you. There's a bacon stone. You can see it on the.
Oh, that's the boundary.
Yeah.
There's a boundary.
From here,
Okay.
it gets into. This is a traditional map. You use this as a traditional. This side is for you. I just got the.
Oh, this is Hassan.
Yes. Okay. So now, as a cousin, come around and show us. In-law.
Chief, I greet you, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Idoro.
Yes.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
This is your cousin.
Good to see you.
Yeah, thank you.
It's a cassava leaf.
That's the boundary. From there, the whole of this.
Okay.
Just down here.
Here
Uh-huh.
to
So
there.
there, yeah. The whole of that.
And then across.
Yes.
Oh, this is mine too.
Yes.
Oh,
Jesus,
wow.
everything here.
What you?
Jesus, to the other side.
The one doing the work for you.
Jesus.
He
Wow.
was the one who uprooted all these.
Oh,
Wow, this is big. Jesus.
Thank you so much.
So we can
Wow, this is big.
and see the stuff.
It is huge,
I'm a
baby.
landowner. You can't talk to me anyhow.
Okay. Hold on.
Show them. That's my great grandfather.
That's her great grandfather.
The very first attacker in this
first-
village. So we need to sign the deed of gift to authorize the transfer of the land from ownership of my dad to my ownership.
Grab the berry. And take it out. Just like that. And take this one out too. And we divide it into two. And put it inside. I'm putting two because I want it to be very rich. So, see? That's your burger. And then you